Hello everyone, we are from Creativity Team. This is our new project, Electronics Component Testing. In this project, we are testing triple fiber IC, 741 IC, and also electronics components like resistance, inductance, capacitance, diodes, and also we test transistor like a BC547, 548, MOSFET, JFET, IGBTs, or thyristor, SCCR, all type of transistor we can test here. Let's see the working of this project. First, we are checking the triple fiber IC. Whenever I press the button, the LED will glow and start to checking the triple IC. We are using flip-flop circuit for the checking the triple IC. Let's see the 741 IC. It start to blinking. It means it is a good IC. Let's see working of the electronics component tester. Here is the MOSFET. We have to add the MOSFET in here in zip socket and press this button. Now it is a testing. Here is you see the all the parameters of the MOSFET. It is in good condition. That's why it's showing all the parameter of the MOSFET. Like this, we can test all type of a transistor. This one is another transistor. Let's test this one transistor. Lock this one and press this button. This one is a thyristor. And check another one transistor. This one is the track. And let's check the BC541 transistor. And let's put this in zip socket and press this button. As you can see the in display, it shows all type of the parameter of the transistors. Like this, we can check the resistance also. This is a 10k resistance. We have to put the 10k resistance here and press this button. As you see in display, this is a 97 something ohm resistance. It almost nearest to 10k resistance. This is a LED. Let's test this LED. First press this button. Now it is testing. As you see in display, it is a good condition. Let's see the capacitor. This is a 330 picofarad capacitor. This one. Let's see the capacitor. These are the all type of here is a transistor frequency generator, 10 PWM generator, and this is for the transformer checking, and this is a resistance, and this one is a capacitor. We have to press this capacitor button and then add this one and add and place this. As you see in display, it is a nearest to 300 picofarad. It is, and we can check. Now let's check the signals, PWM signal. We can also check the IR decoder, encoder, and also the temperature sensors, and also it can check self-test voltage, and we change the font color, background color, and all type of data we can check here. And here is the data what here it can check all type of capacitors here. This is a as you see in display, BJT, NPN transistor, NFET, PFET, VJFET, IGBTs, IGBT, PD, IGBT, MOSFET, MOS, PD or MOSFET, all kind of we can check here. Like this, we can check all type of electronics components here in this project. We can also generate a PWM signal. We can receive the PWM signals here. If you want this project, please contact on Instagram.